Waking up on day 2 with hair that feels more like a grease trap than a style choice is a universal mood. This is especially true when your strands are already fragile or thinning. You want that fresh look. But the thought of washing, drying, and hitting it with high heat yet again feels like a death sentence for your hair health. We have all been there. You reach for that standard spray can. You hold your breath. You hope for the best. Usually the result is either a cloud of chemical-smelling mist or a scalp that looks like you had a run-in with a powdered donut. It is frustrating. Most of those aerosol options just coat your hair in a propellant-based film. They do not really solve the problem. They just mask it with a heavy, wet feel that weighs everything down. This is where things get interesting with a different approach. A direct powder application changes the entire game. Think about a velvet puff instead of a noisy spray nozzle. It changes the whole dynamic of how you handle those oily roots. You are not just blindly spraying and hoping it lands in the right spot. You are actually targeting the oil exactly where it lives. This specific powder formula uses fine particles that soak up sweat and oil on contact. It is like a sponge for your scalp. One of the biggest hurdles with dry shampoo is that dreaded white cast. If you have dark roots, you know the struggle of looking gray or dusty. This formula is different. It is designed to blend seamlessly into your natural color. It works whether you are a deep brunette, a vibrant red, or a bright blonde. You just tap that built-in puff against your roots. Then you blend it in with your fingertips. It disappears. No chalky residue remains. No weird clumping happens. Just instant volume. Because it is a powder, you do not have to worry about leaks in your gym bag. There is no overwhelming synthetic scent, but it is not just about hiding the grease. It is about what is actually inside the bottle. Most traditional products are filled with things like talc and silicones. They often contain parabens too. This one takes a cleaner route. No petroleum is used. No mineral oil is added. There are no synthetic colors. Instead, you are getting biotin and zinc. Biotin is a heavy hitter for supporting stronger strands over time. Zinc is there to look out for your scalp health. It is refreshing to see a product that adds something beneficial back. It does not just strip your hair. It does not just coat it in chemicals. It feels more like skincare for your head. The applicator is a total game changer. It is a tiny, travel-friendly container. It has a built-in puff that makes it so simple. You just pop the cap and tap. No shaking is required. You do not have to guess where the product is landing. Since it is a concentrated powder, a little goes a very long way. Even a small travel-size container can last you about 60 days of regular use. That is a lot of saved mornings. It means much less heat damage for your hair. It is about making your routine easier. It is about being kind to those delicate strands. You get that bounce back. You get that clean feeling. Most importantly, you get to skip the shower for another day. You do this without any of the guilt. You avoid the chalky mess. It is just a smarter way to handle the day 2 slump. Your hair stays light. It stays manageable. It actually looks healthy. That is a win for anyone dealing with thin or damaged hair. It makes the whole process feel less like a chore and more like a quick refresh. It is the kind of small change that makes a big impact on your morning.